We are going to build an automatic ball feeding system which will dispense one ball at a time and should be able to hold 5 to 6 balls in the dispenser. To build that system, we will be using a PVC tube roughly about 12 to 18 inch long with a diameter slightly bigger than the type of the cricket ball that we are using. This PVC tube then be mounted in the center of those two bowling wheels and attach one side to the wooden bar at an angle roughly 30 to 45 degree, and the other end will keep open to insert the cricket balls. We need to test how it is working before we work on the automated feeding system. For automating the ball dispensing mechanism, I'm going to use a 5-volt 9-gram servo motor in front of the PVC tube and attach the servo arm at an angle of 90 degree to downward direction. In this position, the servo arm will be stopping all the balls in the PVC tube from rolling towards the bowling wheels. To dispense one ball, I need the servo motor arm to make a quick turn to 0 degree, and in this moment, the first ball starts to roll downwards to the bowling wheel, and eventually it will be thrown by the bowling wheels. Now the servo motor arm needs to make another quick turn to go back to its original 90 degree position to stop the next ball from rolling downwards. So if I can repeat the above steps in an interval, then this will be an automatic ball dispensing system. To control the servo motor, I will be programming an Arduino development board. The programming part is relatively easy than all the other setup, so I'm not going to go over to the programming part at this moment. However, I have my GitHub link given in the video description where I have kept all my code and helpful other links. So please feel free to use them. Now the setup is completed and it is time to check how the machine is working. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and families. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel Maker's Mind. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.